Hello everyone, welcome back to RK English Studio. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm happy to be here too. Welcome everyone.
Today we are talking about a problem that millions of English learners have.
That's right. Maybe this sentence sounds familiar to you.
I understand English, but speaking is difficult for me.
Have you ever said that?
I think many of our listeners are saying, yes, that's me.
Maybe you can watch English videos.
Maybe you can understand English podcasts.
Maybe you can read English books.
Maybe you can even understand movies.
But when someone asks you a question in English,
Your brain suddenly says,
error, system not found.
exactly.
You know the words,
You understand the question.
but the answer does not come out.
If this happens to you, don't worry.
You are not alone.
And today, we will talk about why this happens.
Don't
and
forget to
how you
like
can-
this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Sure,
Why can people understand English but not speak it?
that's a great question.
Well, what do you think?
I think many learners spend hours listening.
That's true.
They watch YouTube,
They watch Netflix.
they listen to podcasts,
They read books.
but they do not speak enough.
Exactly.
Speaking is a skill,
Just like swimming.
just like driving.
Just like playing football.
You cannot learn football only by watching football.
You must play.
And you cannot become a good speaker only by listening,
You must speak.
even if your English is not perfect.
Especially if your English is not perfect.
That's how you improve.
Let's repeat an important sentence together.
Listen carefully.
I understand English.
But speaking is difficult for me.
Again,
I understand English.
but speaking is difficult for me.
One more time, slowly.
I understand English.
But speaking is difficult for me.
Excellent.
Do you know another big problem?
What is it?
Fear.
Ah, yes. Fear is a big one.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They think everyone will laugh at them.
But the truth is,
Most people are happy that you are trying.
exactly.
Let me tell you something important.
Go ahead.
Mistakes are not your enemy.
Really?
No. Mistakes are your teacher.
Wow, I like that.
Every mistake teaches you something.
That's true.
If you never make mistakes,
You are probably not practicing enough.
our conversation.
exact.
Great idea.
We talked about fear and mistakes.
Yes. And now let's talk about confidence.
Many learners say, I don't feel confident when I speak English.
I hear that all the
Because
time.
many people
Why do you
compare
think that
themselves to native speakers.
Ah, that's true.
They watch movies and think, wow, I can never speak like that.
But that's not a fair comparison.
Exactly.
Learning a language takes time,
A lot of time.
day by day,
Step by step.
word by word,
Sentence by sentence.
conversation by conversation,
That's how fluency grows.
slowly but surely.
Let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
If a baby falls while learning to walk, should the baby stop trying?
Of course not,
Why not?
because falling is part of learning,
Exactly.
and making mistakes is part of learning English.
Very well said.
Sometimes learners think they need perfect grammar before speaking.
That's another common mistake.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
because communication is more important than perfection.
I like that.
Imagine you were traveling.
Okay.
You are hungry,
Very hungry.
and you go to a restaurant.
Sounds good.
You say, I want chicken and rice.
Simple.
Maybe the grammar is not perfect.
But people understand.
Exactly.
Communication happened.
That's the goal.
Not perfect grammar.
Not perfect pronunciation.
Just communication.
Let's practice some useful sentences.
Great.
Repeat after me.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I am getting better.
I am getting better.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
Excellent.
Very good.
Now, let's imagine a real conversation.
That's a great way to practice.
I'll start.
Okay.
Hi, How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I'm studying English.
That's wonderful.
What about you?
I'm practicing my speaking skills.
Excellent.
See, everyone?
That conversation was very simple.
But it was real English.
Exactly.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
You don't need long sentences.
You just need to communicate.
Here's another question.
I'm listening.
What do many learners do when they don't know a word?
They stop speaking.
Yes,
And then they panic.
exactly.
What should they do instead?
Use simple words.
Can you give an example?
Imagine you forget the word microwave.
Okay,
You can say, the machine that makes food hot.
that's smart.
Native speakers do this too.
Really?
Absolutely.
So it's okay if we don't know every word.
More than okay.
That's good news.
Speaking is not a vocabulary test.
It's communication.
Exactly.
Let's do another speaking exercise.
Great.
Repeat after me.
I'm ready.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
I am from Pakistan.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Excellent work, everyone.
You're doing great.
Sometimes progress feels slow.
That's true.
Very slow.
Like watching a plant grow.
You don't see changes every day.
But after a few months,
The plant is much bigger.
English is the same.
Practice every day.
Trust the process.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep learning.
And never give up.
Before we continue in the next part, let's repeat today's key sentence again.
Ready?
I understand English,
But speaking is difficult for me.
but I practice every day.
And my speaking is improving.
Fantastic.
Great
Welcome
job,
back, everyone.
We are so happy you are still here with us.
In part 1, we talked about fear and mistakes.
And in part 2, we talked about confidence and daily practice.
Now it's time for part 3.
This is where we put everything together.
Exactly.
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What is the biggest reason people learn English?
To communicate,
That's right,
not to pass a test,
not to memorize thousands of words.
not to know every grammar rule.
The real goal is communication.
Imagine you meet an English speaker tomorrow.
What would you say?
Maybe something simple.
Like what?
Hello, how are you?
Great start.
My name is Alex.
Perfect.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Those simple sentences can start a real conversation.
Exactly.
Sometimes learners think simple English is bad English.
But that's not true.
Simple English is powerful.
Very powerful.
In fact, many native speakers use simple English every day.
That's a good point.
Let me ask you another question.
Okay,
What happens when you practice speaking every day?
you become more comfortable.
Correct.
You remember words faster,
Yes.
and you stop translating everything in your head.
That's a big step.
A very big step.
Many learners translate from their native language first,
Then they translate into English.
and that takes time.
Sometimes too much time.
But with practice, your brain starts thinking in English,
Little by little.
day by day.
That's why daily practice is so important.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Even 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Absolutely.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Great idea.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
What are you doing right now?
I'm practicing English.
That's wonderful.
What about you?
I'm learning new vocabulary.
Excellent.
See, everyone?
very
That was a real conversation.
Simple English works.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza
Why do you like pizza?
because it is delicious.
That's a great answer.
What is your favorite food?
I love burgers.
Really?
Yes,
especially with fries.
That sounds delicious.
Now it's your turn, everyone.
What is your favorite food?
Think about your answer.
Say it out loud.
Don't be shy.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly. Here's another important tip.
What is it?
Celebrate small wins.
I like that.
Maybe today you learned one new word.
That's a win.
Maybe today you spoke one English sentence.
That's a win too.
Maybe today you understood an English video.
Another win.
Small wins become big success.
One step at a time.
Let's repeat some positive sentences together.
Ready?
I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I can improve every day.
I can improve every day.
I am becoming a better speaker.
I am becoming a better speaker.
I will not give up.
I will not give up.
Fantastic.
Very good, everyone.
We are proud of you. Learning a language is not easy,
But you are doing it.
and that is something to be proud of. Before we finish, let's repeat today's key sentence one last time.
Slowly and clearly.
I understand English,
But speaking is difficult for me.
but I practice every day.
And my speaking is getting better.
Again, I understand English,
But speaking is difficult for me.
but I practice every day.
And my speaking is getting better.
Excellent. Remember, fluency is a journey.
Not a race.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
And never stop learning.
Tell us in the comments.
What is the biggest challenge for you?
Speaking,
Listening, grammar, or vocabulary?
we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you.
Keep practicing English every day.
Stay positive, stay motivated, and remember,
You can do this.
see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye. Have a wonderful day.